photos you want to share on the socials, tagging Havilland Airshow.
Hashtag CCA.
So that we can see them, read your comments, and enjoy your clips as well.
Share them too.
Listen to the sound of history, the very rare Mosquito and Spitfire. And other special missions during World War II and post-war. We want to give a special thank you to the owner, Charles Summit, and his Warbird collection here in Sacramento, California. Through his generosity, able to display this aircraft. And we are so happy to have the very rare, playing his 16th birthday. Director of Maintenance for the Texas Flying Legends, now rebranded as the Cordova Territory Air Museum, and currently in charge of maintaining the fleet flying air shows mostly during the summer. Loves flying this beautiful Mosquito. Low and platform. Once again, Bernie and Mosquito. Bottom side view, great for clips and photos you want to share on the socials, tagging Havilland Airshow.
Hashtag CCA.
So that we can see them, read your comments, and enjoy your clips as well.
Share them too. Next, coming in to the right with its much narrower landing gear. Alan has his